This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Morning, guys. It is February 18th, 2019. I got a little snow today. Probably an inch, inch and a half, something like that. This ain't 2 inches of snow, so not even worth getting the plow out, the snow blower. Anyway, on this job here, I got a call for a tub draining slowly. I think I hydroblasted this tub a while back, a couple of years ago or something, or a year and a half ago. Was complaining about it's running slow again, so I'll probably have to go by there and maybe there's hair in the drain or something. So that's what I'm going over there now for. So this is a holiday today, Patriots Day, but I got a bunch of jobs to do today. So we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Slow drain.
Within, if I just shower, it drains within about 10 minutes.
Oh, so it's definitely, well, we could probably hydroblast it. Oh yeah, look at that.
What, is there a lot of, oh, yeah.
See the hair? It's probably all loaded with hair right there, guaranteed.
Oh, so what you're saying
Look at
is
this.
There's different things that will catch the hair there. Yeah.
There's a mechanism in here that's got like a spring on it. I guarantee that's full of stuff.
Oh, okay.
That's probably what it is. It's right here. That's pretty nasty. You know?
Yeah.
Like I asked you on the phone if you were losing hair. You thought I was kidding.
What's that?
I asked you on the phone if you were losing hair.
Well, I guess I am. It's not noticeable to me.
Yeah, no, everybody does. Especially when you're washing your hair, you know?
Well, yeah, I wash my hair every day.
Right. Well, would you wear gloves? I'm gonna figure it out.
What's that?
People ask me why I wear gloves.
Yeah, I don't believe you there.
There you go, look at that.
What, lots more?
You wanna take a look?
Not really. Oh my god.
Think that might do it?
I would guess so.
Yeah, maybe just a little.
So there's like a screen I could have to put over that so it doesn't all go down there?
Well, this particular one doesn't have that.
Oh.
But if you see how I did it, you could take it apart every so often and clean it. I mean, it's pretty gnarly.
Yeah, it is. Oh my god.
You know? We'll see if it goes down now. That's probably all it was. Needed a good cleaning. So obviously the spring here, you know, is down inside there, and that mechanism goes in the spring to lift it up and down.
I'll put this stuff in there. It's not gonna.
No, that's all it was. That's pretty bad.
Yeah, that's really bad. So I just pull that straight up. and clean it off of
You
there.
gotta take them 2 screws out. There's 2 screws there.
Oh, I see.
That's pretty bad.
Jeez.
There you go.
No idea. Look. Isn't it that would like just a part to put over it?
Well, this particular drain has got this spring mechanism.
Yeah, but there's nothing I can do.
And then this goes down inside. If it was a different style, some of them have a screen right there, but you'd have to change the whole waste and overflow for that. I mean, how long has it been since I've been here? It's been a while.
I don't even really remember. A year? I don't know.
Yeah, it might be a year, 2 years, something like that. Who knows? Time goes by, right?
No, you know what? It wasn't that long ago because last time you were here, my mother had passed.
Oh yeah. So it couldn't have been that long ago, right?
Right. She passed in May.
So it's probably like a year and a half, because if I remember right, she just had died.
Well, oh, okay. All right. Well, if I run like liquid plumber down there, would that dissolve the hair? If I just do that periodically?
It's hard to say.
Yeah.
See, this thing just unscrews here. All you gotta do is you pull this mechanism out, right? And then you just take them 2 screws out, and then after it just drops right back in place. It's not that hard to take apart.
Okay.
Are you mechanical type of stuff, or not really? Not really. See, that thing really doesn't lift up all that much, but we'll see.
Right.
I might be able to adjust that.
Oh yeah, to make it seal better. So now
Bring it up higher. Alright, we'll try it now. As long as it takes it with the shower, that's the main thing. Let it run for a bit, see if it takes it. You've seen the hair that was in there. I mean, it was pretty.
Yeah, that's bad.
So if you take them 2, you pull that drain out, and then you take them 2 screws out, and that whole mechanism lifts right out of there, and you can clean it. It's not a bad drain. I mean, the only drawback is, the hair can go down there. Well, the other one has got like a screen that catches it.
Yeah.
Cola, that's a cola. That's going down, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It is. It would normally start backing up right now.
Oh yeah, you've seen the hair on there. I mean, it was. Alright. That was an easy one.